Hi guys, it is simply Mia here. If you're new, my name is Mia, and if you're a returning subscriber, if you are always in our comment section, or if you are always watching and you don't comment, we still appreciate you here. We still appreciate you. So if you're new, my name is Mia, and I am a Namibian village content creator. Child, we are doing the things here in the village. Welcome back to yet another vlog. So it just stopped raining and homegirl decided to vlog. Yes, I am just in a good mood. There is a beautiful weather and I don't even know what I am gonna be showing you guys today, but we are gonna vlog. We are gonna create the content. I mean, in the village we always get up to something, so we gotta create the content. So if you do love the content, if you keep watching our videos but you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Child, please do subscribe, like, leave comments in the comment section down below, and share the videos, guys. Keep sharing the videos. So today I am giving a shout out to Life with Charity. She is also a Namibian content creator, guys. Please do head over to Life with Charity's channel and show her some love. Subscribe, like, and leave comments. Guys, this rain isn't even much, or let me say it wasn't much, just a few drops, and my mother is already working on her field. And me today to work in this field, in her field, not today. Not today. Really, I am tired. I am tired today. We are not doing this type of work. Nope. Rather get up to something else. I'ma let her work on her fields alone. Yeah, alone. So it's almost dark, but I have to fill up this bucket with water from a container that is outside the house that we use to collect water from the roof of one of our rooms when it rains. So we put the container there, collects water for us, and then now I have to empty the bucket. Sorry, I have to empty the container outside just in case it rains again during the night, then we get more water. This is the container with water, and water comes in this container through this gutter right here from the roof of this room and the other room. Then it comes in this container. Now I have to empty it just in case it rains, and then we get more water. I am actually gonna use up this water tomorrow to do my laundry. It is the next morning. It's Saturday morning and there is a beautiful weather. So we still received rain during the night. It was raining during the night, so it is now time to go in the field. We are actually gonna sow for the second time. Is it so, man? We are actually gonna sow for the second time. I am not happy, but things gotta be done. Like, ever since we plowed, we haven't received rain, and it has been 2 weeks. So now we have to sow again, because apparently the mahangu that we sow first will not grow because it haven't rained. So we gotta do that for the second time, and this time we are going to patela. We gotta make small holes where we are going to put the seeds, yeah, and then cover them. Then we shall see if this time they'll grow. But before I go into the field, I am gonna feed my chicks. And so sad, I lost one of my chicks again. I lost one, and it has been surviving for like 2 weeks. I don't know what happened, but I lost one, but it's okay. I still have 5 more, and I really hope these ones really grow fast, very fast. Like, I just want them to grow, then I can put them back, like I can take them back to the chicken coop. So yeah, let's go feed the chicks and then head over into the field. So this is the part that we have to resow, not everything. Here, oh guys, I don't know what you call F4 in English name, but yeah, there are only 9 on this side, and then we have to go on the other side of the house because they're not with drains. Like this area wasn't plowed on the same day, so we only have to resow on the area that was plowed first, and then leave the other part. I think the other part, the mahangu will grow. Well, I am done making the holes for now. Just for now, I'm yet to continue, but now I gotta join my mom in sewing because the holes are becoming too much for her. So I'm gonna start sewing now and then continue with the making of holes after I am done with sewing. So I'm gonna continue until the fence day. I'm gonna continue making the holes. We are done sewing here. I'm going to continue and then move to the back of the house. We have our neighbors there working. That is how close we live to each other, guys. Like very, very, very close. So close. And we're just here having conversations as we work. And I apologize for the lighting. It is because of the clouds, guys. We do not have the sun today. The sun is not out today. So we are done with this part. We are done with this part. We're gonna move to the back of the house now. We're gonna move to the back of the house now, and I'm already tired. Oh guys, this process of making these small holes, woo, with the tape open Buddha. I just came to get the radio. I actually decided to listen to the radio today. I am listening to somebody's funeral. Radio. So this is what we were sewing now here, and my mother had to put the white tails. I think I call tails in English. Yes, but it's an English word. Yes, tails apparently as an indication where she sewed, because she might forget and just end up removing the plants, were the fruits, or what are these, whatever they are, as they grow. So she put those there as an indication. We also planted some butternuts on this side all the way until there, and then this side as well. So yeah, now we're gonna go to the other side of the house and then continue sewing our mahangu. Some butternut seeds. This is the container that I was emptying last night, guys. This is the container that I was emptying last night, and it's full. Oh guys, these dogs, what is this? What was happening? So yeah, I was saying this is the container that I emptied last night. It's already full because it rained again last night, so I still have to empty this container. I don't know where I am going to put the water, but I know it must be done. Let me go because mom is coming. She'll think I'm wasting time. Oh, she'll think I'm wasting time. So this is where we'll be working now. This part we have to, like, patella again. We have to make the holes again and then sew. It's quite bigger than the other side, but we'll be fast. And the chickens, we already fed them. Mimi already fed them earlier. And Joshua, this is what we're feeding them. It's actually just maize, soaked maize. Yeah, this is what we feed the chickens every morning. This is how far I am on this side. It is 9:30 now, and I only have until 11 a.m. to work with my mom because she'll be going out. So I really have to do this fast so I don't have to work alone. And I am so tired. Oh guys, my back. It is 15 minutes to 11 and we are done. So I don't have to work in the field alone. Now I am just taking this leftover mahangu into the house and then get another container. So I empty this container because it started raining again. It is raining, but it's small. Oh guys, I am so tired. My back hurts. I know in our culture, people of my age or a little bit older, like, let me just say the youth, we are apparently not allowed to complain about back pains because why? I don't know, but apparently young people can't have back pains. But yo guys, trying to open the door. But guys, I am feeling it. I'm feeling it. I am definitely feeling it. I am feeling myself as well. Oh yeah, so let me go get the container and then empty this one. Oh guys, I am so tired. Ooh. So I emptied this container. It is empty, and all these containers by the wall have water. So I'm supposed to be doing laundry today, but it is definitely not a good day for laundry. There is no sun, so the clothes are not gonna dry. So I guess it's time for me to rest. Oh, I am tired, so it's time for me to rest and see what else I'll get up to maybe later in the afternoon. So I am gonna end here for now. I hope you guys are enjoying. If you are enjoying this vlog, if you are watching until this point and you are enjoying the vlog and you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing, giving this video a big thumbs up. Please do like the video and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Yay. Yes, so yeah, I will yeah, I'll continue later guys. Ciao. So I am gonna have lunch now. I'm having pap and spinach. Pap omboga is one of my favorites guys. Ooh, when it comes to traditional food, omboga is a favorite. So that is what what did I just say? So this is what I'm gonna have for lunch, and then I will go take a nap. Say hi. Say hi. So guys, it is Monday. It's Monday. We are continuing with the vlog. I am heading to my auntie's house. Ooh. Then I passed by my other auntie's house, and she's working in the field, so she said I must go with my godson Tanga. He is back on this channel. Tanga, say hi. Tanga, say hi. I don't even know how I am going to drive with this kid. But we gotta get things done. did I not get lost? Oh, the lighting in this car, but I got lost, guys. But luckily I saw a man looking for his donkeys, and I called my cousin to talk to the man so they can direct me. Like, guys, me and driving Munkunda is the ghetto, guys. I only know Kanjatu. I only know Kanjatu. I keep getting lost, especially when I'm coming to my auntie's house here, like Yandishuako. It is always a struggle. It is always a struggle. Tanga was very tired. He even started crying, but we made it. We made it, Tanga. We made it. So I am here for the meat, guys. I am here for the meat. So my cousin is killing a goat, a goyata. Yes, the gauchos. So my cousin is slaughtering a goat. It was actually supposed to be for my sister, but she is not in the village, so I am eating on her behalf. So people this side literally have mahangu so grown, guys, not like some of us. Oh yeah. So I knew that people would be working in the field, so I carried my shoes, you know. So I am going in the field now. My cousin is playing with donkeys and we are sewing. Field work is the ghetto, guys. Oh. Hey. Oh. My God. Ndeki shura na rema. I am back home. I didn't get to spend so much time with my aunt because adulting, guys, adulting, other responsibilities are calling. I didn't get to spend so much time. I didn't even get to eat meat, but I did carry meat. They gave me meat in a lunch box. It's not yet ready, but I'll have to finish cooking. And I got on Joshua. I got a chicken. This is my mom's. She got it from her cousin. So yeah, and I think I'm gonna the lighting here, and I think I am gonna end this vlog here. If you enjoyed this vlog and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Let me put this chicken away. So I was saying, if you are enjoying this video, if you enjoyed this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Yes, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you love my content. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And also please keep sharing our videos. Road to 2K subscribers. Road to 2K subscribers. Until next time, guys. Bye bye.